My name is Kate and I work at Nutrition Company. I've lived here for 22 years. My why for Cheyenne is my family is here. My son goes to a great school. He is active in lots of different sports. He likes soccer. He's tried the Ninja Gym playground, wants to continue going. I currently am bodybuilding and a fitness trainer, as well as working here selling supplements. My job is locally owned and operated. I love what I do because I get to help customers in the fitness industry, as well as just being overall healthy and finding other goals and being able to reach them better. Overall, Cheyenne is a fantastic place to live and we really enjoy it.